Selfie. Naon? Selfie.
We're going to make some shake.
Selfie ka. Tingnan na, mag-selfie dong. Selfie.
Yeah. I don't know. I sent the email to the owner of the house.
Meron akong good news. Oo. Keke. One, two, three. Three. You should say 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Better switch that on later, maybe?
None, it's full. This is full. The third on yet.
So full?
Yeah.
Play space for this?
Oh, dog.
Yeah, then not yet.
What is blau? I don't know.
Dito?
It's dog blau.
Guys. Why is it blau? Bakit daw kayo blau? I don't know. Yeah. But don't show the small one, guys, because they're gonna eat egg. Ding 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 ding. Luto tayo ng egg. Luto ako ng egg, guys. Pakain ko ng Francene V. Ayan. Bakit blue kayo? Mukhang kailangan nyo ng rice. Ayan. Andito na pala yung stepdaughter ko, guys. Nakauwi na. gumawa ako ng egg. Nilagyan ko ng mga cherry tomato. Kasi gustong-gusto ni Francis yung tomato. Hati na silang dalawang Francene nito, guys. 3 egg to, actually. 3 eggs. Ayan. Tadang! Luto na siya. Merong magmantika dyan. Pero anuhin ko muna siya. Mainit pa eh. Tapuhan ko siya. Kainin natin ng egg. Kasi today, ulang matarong kaon, guys. Yung mga bata. Kasi lumabas kami. Napakain lang ng mga ano-ano. Ayan. Ito lang, egg at saka tomato. Tapos lagyan ko sila ng lagyan ko ng sa gilid. Tayo. Yan ko ng tinidor. Dalawa. Yung ka-Francene. Yan. Mas madami atang kamatis itong ka-Francis kasi si Francene hindi siya kumakain really ng kamatis na luto. Mas gusto niya yung hilaw. Ayan. Mag-change siya ng bata yan. Tapos nito, papakainin ko sila ng yung card. Nasaan ba yung dito? Nasaan na ba yun? Tingnan ko yung date. Nagsa-stop kasi ako nito. Nagsa-stop ako nito. Gustong-gusto ko ni Francene at Francis. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata in general. Ayan. Napakain ko sana ng yogurt after. Parang dessert ba? Mainit pa to siya, guys. Ayan. And then, I think sa next vlog na pag sure na talaga meron akong good news. Sana matuloy. Sana yun na nga. So, hindi ko muna siya isasabihin dito sa vlog na to kasi by Monday pa namin ipa-final lahat. So, sasabihin ko sa inyo pag nakapag-vlog ako by Monday. Tatawag dito si Mr. kasi nga tomorrow babalik na siya sa work, diba? So, may good news tayo sa Monday. Sa Monday, gusto ko siyang i-final muna tsaka ko siya i-chika sa inyo. So, I hope ito na. So, anyway, papakainin ko muna ang dalawa, guys. Oy, kasi yun, para fix na ba yung mind ko. Kasi 17:24 na maaga ko yan sila pinapa-dinner ang dalawa. Ahead talaga yan sila lagi. Kasi, para kami kasi mga malalaki, kahit ano-anong kinakain namin ang dalawa, kailangan ahead to sila para kung mapagod, maging moody na or maging nagsugod na maglangi, pwede nating bigyan ng milk or dede at papatulugin. So, ayun. Oy, you're eating. You're eating.
Du hast doch das gestern gesehen.
Ich nicht.
You're eating. It's lekker?
Essen.
Yummy? Do it like that. And then Francis is there, eating too. Hi! Come on, hot. Ginoo. Wow! Yummy, yummy. Blow, ha? It's hot. It's hot.
Kein Paprika, das heißt danke.
Tupiin.
Und Papa, was Paprika?
Mga tupiin.
Weil er ein Junge ist.
Was magst du?
Devastated.
Stress.
Somehow.
Last night for this week.
For what?
Last night for this week or weekend? What is that? How is to say that?
I don't know.
I It's so hard to speak English. Tomorrow you began, so this is last night for this week.
Yeah.
So,
I don't see it that way.
yeah. How do you see it? You also sometimes say last dinner for
Yeah, it will be like that tomorrow that I don't want to go.
Okay.
It will be like that again. But I should not go that late. And the other thing is I should, I don't know, there's so much stuff.
So minaw mo sa mong sapi.
So that was one of the new ones. I don't know how many they have of that.
You didn't take care of that, no?
No, because I didn't get up in the morning.
Yeah. That was supposed to be yesterday, right?
Yeah. So, all these things stress me out, The database, I cannot do anything on the database. That's all.
So what are we gonna do? I was thinking you were here, so I took this out. That's why my camera is there, because I was... See, it's adjusting when you are... when you focus, it will adjust on its own.
Yeah. I don't know. I sent the email to the owner of the house.
What he asked?
Yeah, about the window thing there, the address, and I told him, remind him to send me his postal address, so I'm gonna send all the Schufa and working contract, I'm gonna send up by post. Since he said he cannot open email,
PDF.
like PDF or whatever, same as me.
Did you tell him that in phone, or you write him?
No, he told me that.
Okay.